Welcome to Energy Partner Insights Customer Orientation. I'm Jen, and I'll be your guide. Energy Partner Insights is an energy information management system that gives you 24/7 access to your energy use information. Within the platform, you can visualize, report on, and extract meter data for individual meters or aggregated at the building, campus, or company level. Energy Partner Insights can be found at insights.portlandgeneral.com. Today, we will focus on real-time meter monitoring and reporting. Other modules, such as home dashboards and invoice management, pertain to utility billing data, which PGE has not yet integrated. More to come on this in the future. Real-time monitoring, what does that mean? By definition, real-time means in this moment. However, current PGE meters transmit interval data every 2 hours, and downstream systems are designed for daily batch processing. For those enrolled in Energy Expert Insights, data is uploaded daily and available on a 24-hour delay. First, let's talk about meter hierarchy navigation. Under real-time monitoring, you will notice a small blue arrow to the left of each site or building. To get to the meter level, continue to click down through the blue arrows until you arrive at the meter name, nested under the account number. The electric and consumption levels are simply a way for the system to bucket different utility and use types, since the platform is designed to handle more than one utility commodity. To keep it simple, the most useful levels are company, site, and meter. Let's look at the company level. At the company level, we'll talk about 4 features: pie chart, map, export, and meter inventory. The pie chart provides a quick way to see relative consumption per location. All PGE meters are electric consumption. Because of this, the second pie chart will duplicate the first. When you hover over each slice of the pie, you see the amount of energy used and the percent of the pie. The map also displays energy use information. Use the zoom buttons to change your time period. And under please select bubble size, choose kWh consumption, energy, to modify the bubbles to reflect relative size of consumption. Under the Export Data button, you can retrieve raw meter data. Almost all meters have data imported going back to January 2019. Enter your date range, and export. Data is exported to CSV. You'll see it pop up in the lower left-hand corner. Where did it go? Let's try that again. Enter the dates. Export. Oops, we need a correct date here. There it is. Open our columns to see all the data. We have meter number, account number, timestamp, and usage. The fourth feature I'll show you is a meter inventory list. You can see your utility account number, all your sites, and the meters enrolled. If you want to go to a specific meter directly, click on it, and it will take you there. Let's explore at the meter level. Select a time period using the zoom buttons. You can also use the zoom bar, or in the From and To, you can manually enter your dates. Notice the mini chart at the very bottom, which shows 2 years of data. Click on the temperature to get the temperature overlay, peak points, to quickly identify peak usage, and to keep track of events or special circumstances, you can add notes, which will always be there for you to reference later. In the tables below, you'll find summary data, such as number of days and hours, total consumption, average, and your 5 highest peak points. You can view your meter data in 15-minute, 30-minute, or 60-minute intervals, and you can export it using the export menu here. The next tab we'll look at is analytics. This includes heat map, monthly profiles, and daily profiles. The heat map covers a full 24-month period using color variations to quickly tell the story about energy use over time. It can help spot anomalies and allows you to see the relationship between energy consumption, temperature, and degree days. The monthly profile view contains daily thumbnails. Looking at August and comparing use on Tuesdays, you can see on August 16th, there was abnormally high consumption compared to other Tuesdays in the month. Daily profiles help you understand energy use per day of the week over a 24-hour period based on average consumption over the last year. You can easily notice days that are out of trend, look at holiday behavior, and see whether systems are properly shutting off on weekends. In the example here, it looks like the warehouse runs the same hours regardless of the day of the week and experiences even higher energy consumption during holidays. Using alerts located under your user profile menu, you can receive an email when a meter exceeds a defined threshold by creating your own custom alert. Next, we'll go through reporting. Run the account, property, and meter inventory report when you need a list of sites where you'll have the address, the utility account number, and the meter number. Reports are generated And you can easily export to Excel here, which we've already done. We'll show you a quick view of what that looks like in Excel. Property, account, meter name, meter number. Next, we'll look at the baseload report. Want to keep an eye on occupied versus unoccupied hours? When you run the real-time baseload report, blue bars display the hourly energy consumption during occupied hours, and orange bars display the hourly energy consumption during unoccupied hours. It runs for 1 week. Here again, you can export to Excel, but we'll just shuttle over to save time and show you what it looks like when you export it. In this example, during the week of September 10th and 11, during the weekend of September 10th and 11, you would expect consumption to be consistently lower than on the weekdays. However, consumption looks to be holding steady, which might be worth investigating. Finally, we have one more report. To conveniently see energy use totals by month, by meter, you can run the real-time monthly interval data report. Select where in the hierarchy what you want to include in the report. It automatically defaults to 1 year. Produces your report. You can export it to Excel. And here's what it looks like with your meter names, energy use per month per meter, and totals. One last thing before we wrap up. Energy Partner Insights includes an online integrated help feature. Click the blue Help button and scroll to the bottom to access the user guide. File a support ticket or request a feature enhancement by selecting File a Support Ticket. Support tickets address something that is not working correctly, whereas feature enhancements are suggestions to the development team about how to improve function or navigation. That concludes our tour. Please know we are here to help. If you have any questions or would like to set up a one-on-one, please email eis@pgn.com. That's eis@pgn.com. Thank you, and we appreciate your time and look forward to partnering with you in the future to make this product the best it can be.